Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. and look at this beautiful new arrival 2012 Volvo XC60. This one is a turbo one with 3-liter turbo engine, T6, all-wheel drive, very nice and compact, small SUV. Two previous owners, clean Carfax, well maintained. Nice clean body, nice clean paint. Very popular, very safe. People love those cars. They are very comfortable to drive. They're known for their comfortable seats. Nice rims, nice tires, brand new brakes, fresh oil. Let's look inside. It's a power windows, power locks, power memory seats, leather interior with the panoramic sunroof, one key, passenger seat looking good too. Again, they are very comfortable. I personally love it, Climate control with heated seats. Nice screen, parking sensors, 115,000 miles, which is nothing for these cars. Cruise control, Bluetooth, everything is in working condition. Let's look at rear seating here. Again, leather is in good condition, no problem. This one has even heated seats. One more time, panoramic roof, clean headliner. Have to unlock it to show you how the trunk looks. And this one is actually a power lift gate. As you can see, it's in working condition. Nice size trunk. Those seats are folding. Let's close it. Looks like it came locally from Barrington area. T6 all-wheel drive. So if you guys in the market for the used vehicle, check us out. We have 150 cars in stock. Free copy of the Carfax report. Inspection on all vehicles, including oil changes. Make sure the brakes are good, suspension, no leaks. Nice and powerful engine on this one. So carcitychicago.com, it's our website. Our phone number 847-496-4250. We just open service department for public too. So if you buy it, you get special prices for the service, for the oil changes, and everything else. Give us a call, and we're here for you. As usual, thank you for watching this video, and have a great day, guys. 847-496-4250. Thank you.